Snoring is no joke and has a negative impact on relationships and carries significant health risks from depression and fatigue to increased risk of heart attack and stroke. Snoring occurs when the jaw drops open and the tongue falls back, restricting the airways and causing the noisy vibration. That is why we are excited to introduce Zip Snore. Zip Snore is the easy and effective way to reduce snoring, so you get a better night's sleep and wake up refreshed for the day. But Zip Snore is specially designed to keep your mouth closed. This keeps your jaw in place and your tongue forward so the airway stays open, allowing you to breathe naturally through your nose. Zip Snore is simple, safe, comfortable, and easy to use, and is hypoallergenic, latex-free, and skin-friendly. The specially designed tabs on each side of Snore Patch make for ease of removal and disposal.